In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to put a picture in a frame using Canva. Whether you're new to design or just looking to refine your skills, this quick tutorial will help you create visually appealing designs with ease. So let's dive in and make your graphics stand out. First, open Canva and create a new design by selecting a blank page. This blank canvas will be your working space where all the magic happens. Starting with a clean slate allows greater flexibility in designing and organizing your elements as you go along. Once you're on your blank page, you'll want to head over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Elements. This is where you'll find a variety of shapes, lines, and other elements to enhance your design. It's also where you'll find the frames that are integral to our task today. In the search bar within the Elements tab, type the word frame and hit enter. A wide range of frame options will appear. These frames come in various shapes and styles, allowing you to select one that perfectly fits your design needs. Choose a frame that complements the style of your image and your overall design aesthetic. Once you've decided on a frame, click to add it to your page. You can easily resize or reposition the frame to suit your design preferences. Simply drag the corners or edges of the frame to adjust its dimensions. Keep in mind that the frame will serve as the backdrop for your image, so make sure it aligns well with the layout you envision. Next, we need to get the picture you want to insert into the frame. Go to the upload section in the left-hand menu. Here, you can upload an image from your device by clicking on the upload button. Once you've uploaded your picture, it will appear in your uploads library. With your image uploaded, click and drag it over to the page, positioning it near the frame. This is where the final touch comes into play. Simply drag your image into the frame. You'll see it snap into place, perfectly contained within the frame's borders. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your picture in a frame using Canva. By following these steps, you've learned how to add a professional touch to your designs, making them more engaging and polished. This technique can be a great